Hello, guys. Om is considered as this primordial sound of the universe. It is a transcendental sound of a creation of the universe. It is through this transcendental sound that the transformation begins, the transformation of human emotions, escalating from the state of being to the conscious self, the conscious realm, and co-creating along with the universe, the self-awareness, focus, and knowledge. It is also considered as a pure form of sound where the cleansing of toxic element is being done to our emotions, to the mind, to the body, and to the soul. It is the sound from where the life begins and ends. And in the end of the Om chant, when you focus your concentration upon the breath, the end of the Om chant brings back to the light that touches your soul. So it has got a divine understanding and a scientific acknowledgement to be placed for the mantra Om, and which is highly recommended for the cancer care.